Sunny Health and Fitness Power Zone Strength Rack Power Cage, SFXF 9925, black. Ultra strength and durability, capable of carrying a max weight of 1000 lb. The Power Zone Power Cage is for serious strength training enthusiasts. Spotter bars. You will always have a spotter in the Power Zone Power Cage with safety lock latches for ease of mind and safety assurance when squatting with heavier weights. Angled pull-up bar. The pull-up bar is adjustable and reversible with 4 different positions and angled for both wide and narrow grip pull-ups. Stable and grounded. Store extra weight plates with the included safety clips to increase the stability and peace of mind. The Power Zone Power Cage may also be bolted down to establish a firm and stable base as well. Adjustable and versatile, 18 vertical height settings allow for various adjustments of the J-hooks. Textured grip. The knurled pattern textured grip on the pull-up bars provides extra grip and prevents hand slippage. Resistance band pins. 6 resistance band pins, 3 per side, to increase versatility, add extra resistance for your lifts and squats. The power cage must be bolted to the floor before using resistance band pins. Multi-purpose use. Add a weight bench for bench presses, landmine attachments or various other add-ons to put together a total strength training power cage home gym. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.